In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private board in Monday.com. If you want to keep a board visible only to specific people, creating a private board is a great option. This is especially useful when you're working on sensitive projects, internal planning, or any task that should not be shared with everyone in the workspace. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can set it up in just a few moments. To get started, log into your Monday.com account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard before moving on. If you manage multiple accounts or workspaces, take a second to confirm that you're in the correct one so your new board is created in the right place. Once you're inside Monday.com, open the workspace where you want to create the board. Workspaces help organize your boards and keep projects grouped together, so choosing the correct workspace at this stage will save you time later. After opening the workspace, look for the plus button beside the workspace name and click it. This is where Monday.com gives you options to add new items within that workspace. When the menu appears, select Board. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a brand new board rather than another type of item. Next, enter a name for your board. Choose something clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later. A good board name helps you and your team quickly understand the purpose of the board without needing to open it. After naming the board, you'll be asked to choose the board type. Here, select Private. This is the key step because it controls who can access the board. A private board is restricted, meaning only invited members or those with permission will be able to view and work inside it. Once you've selected Private, click Create Board. Monday.com will then generate the new board and place it inside your chosen workspace. Finally, verify that the board has been created as a private board. You can usually confirm this by checking the board settings or looking for the privacy label shown on the board. It's always a good idea to double-check, especially if the content you plan to add should remain limited to a smaller group. And that's it. You've successfully created a private board in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.